nangyalam ke BJP bad MLA kapenthor umkra uba AL hek ha ka shipau trik jeliu ula ong ba kano kuno rai ba ya day bad ka jing pyntreikam ya ka inline permit ILP ne ka Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act MRSSA ha ka jylla ka Donkam ya ka jing khmih bniah ya ka jing pen biang tarajor na ka benta ki jing manto jing kinong shnong bad kumjo ikibawan syangkai syapo ka jylla habakren Syllad tai kubor uba hek ula ong baka jing pai khmat ka de ban long halor ke ka bala ban le bat na ka benta ki jing manto jing ki kin hun pa pher ha ka baya de bat ka ILP bat MRSSA nga kerpat ya ka sarkar Meghalaya bat ya ki nong shnong ka jylla ba ka no ka ba ngi kwa ban pyntreikam la ka de ka ILP ne ka MRSSA ha Meghalaya ningkong ide ban khmih bniah ya ka bangi la ban le ka bangi la ban le bat ka bangi la ban le ula ong uba hek ula ong ba ka thong ba hakmat ka de ban long ka sin jam ka ban yada ya ka bha ka men bat ki jingman to jing ki nong shnong ka jylla bat ha ka jo ka por da ka ba perkhat ru iki briu ki banabar kham tam ki nong wan shangkai per thei ki ba no senyang sha ka yo ka kat jong ka jylla kumta kanu ka sin jam ka de ban long ka jingman to ya baro ki briu bat om tangi ki nong shnong ka Meghalaya ningkong ngi haban pen na ka benta ki jingman to jong ki nong shnong ka jylla Henry ngi hab ru ban khmi na ka benta ka jing shngan ba jingman to jing ki briu ki bawan sha ka ka jylla kham tam ki nongwan shangkai per thei ula ong ha bakli uba hek ula banjor halor ka jing Donkam ka jing bishar bniah ka bajanai khnang ban penthik na ba ka jing pyntreikam ya ki no ki an kin om kta ikinong shnong barit pat ka jylla bat kumjo na ka benta ki tu ki bawan shangkai sha ka ni ka jylla
Of like MRSSA and also ILP. I request the state of Meghalaya, the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya also, whenever we are and want to introduce the ILP or the MRSSA in the state of Meghalaya, we have to see first the doable, which is to be which one to be done, do and don't. So the doable part only, it should be beneficial for all the people, not only for the people. We to see the interests of the people of the state of Meghalaya, and also we have to see the safety and the interests of the people who are coming to the state of Meghalaya, particularly the tourists, to see the doable, which will not affect the small populations of Meghalaya, will not be affect the people who are coming to Meghalaya. So this is have to look after all precisely. We have to be very study first before bringing this kind of project to introduce in the state of Meghalaya. We have to study which is important, should be doable for the interest of the state and also for the national interest. From the BJP party and also from my level, we have sent the letter to Prime Minister and all. Before you bring this amendment bill of FCRA, they should take the stakeholder into considerations.